Hello, everyone. Welcome back today. We're continuing to learn more about Python. Today, we'll learn object-oriented programming. 21. Object-oriented programming. Inheritance. We saw classes in item 15. Inheritance allows a new class, child class, to adopt the attributes and methods of an existing class, parent class. This prevents you from rewriting the same code over and over again. For example, class animal, def init, self name equals name, def makes sound, print making some sound, class dog animal, def makes sound, print self, name says woof woof, my dog equals dog buddy, my dog, make sound. (22) Flexible arguments, args and kwargs, used when you do not know beforehand how many arguments will be passed to your function. The args parameter collects positional arguments into a tuple, while kwargs collects named parameters into a dictionary. For example, def sum all, args, return sum, print sum all, 10, 20, 30, 40, def, show profile. For key, value in kwargs, items, print, f key, show profile, usernames equals coder EFE, level equals intermediate. (23) Map and filter functions. Used to quickly apply a function to all elements in a list, map, or to filter out elements based on a specific condition, filter. They work beautifully when paired with single-line lambda functions. For example, numbers equals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doubled equals list, map lambda x dialogy 2, numbers. Print doubled, evens equals list, filter lambda x % 2 equals 0. Numbers, print, evens. (24) Working with JSON module, JSON, JavaScript object notation, is a universal lightweight text format used to store and transport data over the web or between applications. It looks very similar to Python dictionaries. The JSON module makes encoding and decoding this data seamless. For example, import JSON. User dict equals name Alex, age 21, is student, true. JSON data equals JSON. Dumps, user dict, print, JSON data, parsed dict equals JSON. Loads, JSON data, print, parsed dict. (25) Date and time management, datetime module, essential for tracking timestamps in your applications, calculating intervals between two dates, or formatting dates into clean, human-readable strings. For example, from datetime import datetime, now equals datetime, now, print, now, formatted date equals now, striftamp, %d, %m, %y, %h, print, formatted date. (26) Decorators. Decorators are an advanced feature that allows you to modify or extend the behavior of a function without changing its actual source code. They are applied using the @ symbol right above a function definition. For example, def my decorator, def wrapper, print. This runs before the function starts. Func, print, return wrapper, at my decorator, def, say hello, print, hello world, say hello. 27. Generators and yield. When working with massive lists containing millions of items, loading everything into memory, RAM, at once can crash your script. Generators solve this by producing items one at a time on the fly using yield, saving immense amounts of memory. For example, def count up to max num. Count equals 1. While count equals max num, yield count plus SQL 1. Counter equals count up to 3. Print next counter 3 times. (28) Custom exceptions. Python's built-in errors, like value error or type error, might not always match the specific logic of your application. You can create your own specialized error rules by inheriting from the base exception class. For example, class age limit error. Exception. Custom exception for age limit violations in our system. Pass. Age equals 15. Try. If age 18, raise age limit error. Users under 18 cannot access this dashboard. Accept age limit error as error. Print F custom error caught. And we've reached the end of the video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like.